All right, folks, I want to take a few seconds just to give you my thoughts on the job market and the Federal Reserve. First, listen, I've been talking about this, and more people are now talking about government data in general, losing a ton of credibility. Not enough folks are taking these surveys, and then, of course, there's always a seasonality adjustment, a birth-death adjustment. There's all kinds of shenanigans, right? And I think a lot of folks don't believe in it. I also think Wall Street, let's be honest, has been sort of complicit, and I'm going to borrow a phrase I heard Stephanie Pomboy use earlier in the show, and this illusion, if you will. Listen, the consensus is so crazy, right? This is a setup. We actually had this on the show yesterday. The surprises out there when something beats the street. Something beating the street doesn't mean it's good news. Still, they give you really low consensus on these numbers. And then when they come out better, everyone, all the talking heads on TV break out the pom-poms. That said, though, it's going to be harder to pull this off. In fact, there are already signs that mid and large businesses, looking at this chart right here, you see this right there? That they're back to their pre-pandemic job openings, right? So that means they don't have a lot of demand. We know government's been hiring a lot of folks, and then, of course, that leaves small businesses, and they don't have the deep pockets. So you may see wages start to come down a little bit. Also, the market will chair, if that is the case, let's say we get a negative surprise tomorrow. Well, they're going to chair the fact that maybe Powell goes into work and he starts to cut rates. Remember, this is the second longest pause on record. Now, the good thing is, in the past, these pauses, 319 days, 167 days, we've seen the market up pretty nicely on these, 22%, 19%. So it's good because when they have to cut fast, that means the economy is in trouble. So this won't be too bad. The bottom line here is the data is specious. The commentary will be overdone no matter what, and the pom-poms will come out. You have to stay laser focused with your own, what I've been saying on the show, with your own portfolio. You got to stay in the market, to Shana's point, but you have to be selective and you have to be somewhat nimble. And I think that's going to continue to be the case. We talked a lot in this show about rotation. Rotation from one sector to another sector is easy to chase, and it's not too bad if you chase if you chase at the right time. But right now is a real pivotal time, folks, particularly tomorrow. So pay close attention to the jobs report. We got your back.